Dear friends, it's a very interesting topic today. Today we discuss about India's biggest stockbroker and also know about many other stockbrokering accounts options also where you can open your stock brokerage account, and we will also discuss why it is important to open account with biggest player, and we will also discuss how to open account with India's biggest stockbroker and what's their benefits and what's sort of benefits you get from them. So first we discuss about who is the India's biggest stockbroker. Zerodha is India's biggest stockbroker with 18.33% market share. And as we know, when there is a option to open bank account, we always think to open bank account with SBI or HDFC because these two are India's biggest banks. And similarly, when you think to open demat account or trading account, please go with India's two biggest stockbroker, and that is Zerodha and Upstocks. Zerodha Broking Limited has 18.33% market share, while RKSV Securities India Private Limited, also known as Upstocks, has 14.24% market share. And third India's biggest stockbroker is Angel Broking Limited. It has 9.56% market share. And then Grow App by Next Billion Technologies Private Limited have 8.93% market share. And then ICICI Securities Limited with 8.70% market share. Then 5 Paisa Capital Limited with 4.46% market share. Kotak Securities Limited with 3.56% market share. HDFC Securities Limited with 3.47% market share. IIFL Securities Limited with 2.67% market share. Motilal Oswal Financial Securities and Services Limited 2.56% market share. Sher Khan Limited 2.54%. Axis Securities Limited 1.40%. SBI Cap Securities Limited 1.35%. Paytm Money Limited 0.99%. Geojit Financial Services Limited 0.78% market share. And now we discuss with whom we have to open stock broking account, that is demat or trading accounts. We suggest open stock broking or demat account with Zerodha or Upstocks, and highly recommend Zerodha as per my experience. So now we discuss about Zerodha. So Zerodha is a very good platform, and its app, that is Kite, is a very good app to do trading and investing. This app come up with market watch list of many tabs where you can aggregate some type of companies and prepare a list of one type of company. For example, if you want to interested to invest in financial sector, then select or prepare one list with tag name financial, and then add the financial companies, banking companies like HDFC Bank, Bandhan Bank, SBI Bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank. And if you are interested in FMCG and gas companies, then prepare a list with name FMCG gas and add companies in it like MGL, IGL, Gujarat Gas, Marico, ITC, and Britannia, Nestle. And similarly, you can create many lists in your watch list. Then there is a second option is orders. In orders there is a three tab. One is open, second is executed, and third is GTT. In open, during market hours you can see your open orders, and in executed you can see your executed orders, means the orders which get executed. And in GTT, this is a very interesting and very useful feature. If you want to purchase a share, for example, current price of Gujarat Gas Limited is 491.90 today on date 22 March 2022, and you think to purchase this stock when its price come up at 400 anytime. Think its price come after 5 days or after 5 months. Whenever it's come at 400, I will purchase its share. So you have to create then GTT order. So to create GTT order, select that share from your watch list, and when you click on that share, you get an option named create GTT. Just click on that option, create GTT. Then you see a type where you have to click on buy. Then you see trigger type. Then you have to click on single. Then trigger price. It's the price at which you want to purchase. For example, I want to purchase it at 400. When its price come up 400, it's get to be purchased. And it's also provide a very good feature, that is it's showing the percentage price in upward or direction or downward direction, means how below. So currently 400 is minus 18.68% below from its last traded price. So it's very good feature to show you that how much below from its current traded price you want to purchase it. Then option is order. So it's already limit, so I not need to select anything else. So near it is a product which is CNC, no need to change it. Then there is an option to quantity. So here you have to give quantity, how many shares you want to purchase at this price. So I select 1, and then there is an option to put the price at which price you want to purchase. So just put the same price which you put above, that is 400, and then at below there is an option that you have to create GTT. Just slide that arrow to create GTT, and congratulations, your GTT is created, and it's come up with a pop-up GTT created. After that there is option of portfolio. In portfolio there is 2 tab. One is holdings and second is position. Position tab is useful when you do intraday trading, or when you do trade. Your current position is shown here, where you can see the current profit or loss. And if you are investor, then you have to check your holdings section. In holdings you can see your invested amount and their current valuations, and after below that is P&L. P&L is nothing but profit and loss, and in profit and loss you can see how much percent profit or loss you have. And it's very good that it's currently showing my profit and loss statement, 49.04% profit from my invested amount. And after that below is the list of your invested companies, and against each companies it shows its quantity, its average price, name of stock or company, invested amount, and its last traded price, or total percentage of gain or loss, and its total list of companies. And below that near that below that there is option as today's profit and loss, which shows you how much you get profit or loss today. and near that is tools. In tools there is option to create buckets or SIPs or alerts. So here you can create an alert. In SIPs you can create SIPs, and in baskets you can create list of baskets where you can purchase many stocks by one click. And near it, that is your account details, and in your account details you can see your account ID, then your email ID, your profile picture, funds, profile setting, console, and many more options. So it's a very good platform. Please open your account in Zerodha, because it's also a very reliable and good. So I suggest to open your account in Zerodha if you want to do some trading or investing. Thank you to listening this podcast. If you want to open your account with Zerodha, you can also visit their website, or just click on the link provided in the description of this podcast to open your account now. Thank you. This podcast is brought to you by Sandhu Value Investing.